Doing a Knitcrate yarn giveaway, and if you'd like to be a member, you can sign up under me and put in the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month. You get 2 skeins of yarn and patterns every month. So to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below something crochet related, maybe something you're working on, and make sure you're a subscriber. In a couple of weeks, come back and see if you're the winner. And the giveaway is, I have OCD, obsessive crochet disorder. This was made for me, and it's in my Etsy store. So it looks like this. It's going to be a little peel off. This is a giveaway. I'll link the Etsy stuff down below. And you can place this on anything. You can place it on maybe one of your mugs or a drink cup, one of your crochet case holders, anything like that. So this is going to be a giveaway. And if you haven't already, please join my Facebook page and group. That is down below as well. So anything like that is listed in the description. This is like a really nice gray. It's really soft. And it is 80% wool, 10% silk, 10% mohair, 231 yards. This one doesn't come with a booklet. They've been giving postcards rather than booklets for people that are sponsored by them, but I'm pretty sure you probably would get a booklet if you become a member. So you're going to get these two, which are really nice and soft. This sticker, and I have this in my store. I'm just going to have this in my store for a limited time. I just wanted to try something different in the Etsy store. I thought it was kind of cool, and so I just ended up getting one made for me, and so I'm going to send this out to the lucky winner as well. It's pretty neat. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching and subscribing, and please comment down below if you'd like to participate in this giveaway.